What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change the background color of your WordPress website using the WordPress native themes or block WordPress themes. Okay, so when you first installed WordPress, you're gonna be into a page almost like this one. This is your WordPress dashboard, and here is what you're gonna look like. Okay, nothing, right? You can customize every single part of your site, but fact is, you start with an empty site. This isn't nice, but is the way that it is. So you need to learn how to start doing things. And in this video, we're gonna learn how to change colors of your site, and especially the background colors, or apply a background image in the case that you want, all into a simple, fast, effective, and totally free method. First thing, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, okay? After this, hit the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over appearance, okay? Here is your WordPress dashboard. To access this part, just go to your browser, address bar, type your domain name plus wp-admin, okay? Enter with your username or email and password that you choose it when you was installing WordPress, or when you are installing WordPress by your host. You can access WordPress dashboard from the host panel. After, hover your mouse over the appearance into the left sidebar of menus and hit the submenu editor. Okay, here is where you're gonna edit your site. Review the left sidebar of menus. Once again, we have navigation, style, page, templates, and patterns. Click on styles. You're gonna be able to find a couple of styles: typography, colors, background, shadows, and layout. There is two things. In the case that you want to apply a background image on your site, you can click on background and select an image right here. Okay, you can upload an image from your computer, or open your media library and choose an image to be your site background. Here is my WordPress media library. There's no content on it, so I need to click right here to open my personal computer files and upload a folder. But I would like just a color, not a background image. How to do this? Move to colors, and right here we have the color palette of my site. Here are the theme colors, but I can customize the elements colors. That is the most important for us. First, I want that my background be gray or be darker, even darker, okay? But what else need I do? I want to change the link colors and the text colors to be white. The link colors can be in another color as well. The buttons can be in another color as well. The background of the buttons can be white. The headings can be white as well. Simple, right? In this way, I have customized all my site to be into dark layout and changed the background. But remember, if you change the background, you need to also change other colors to match your design and to create the design that you wish. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys later. All the best!